Thank you for coming to my new exhibition. I am pleased to see so many friendly faces celebrate my genius.
Excuse me, Sam? I'm a huge fan of your work.
Let me guess. You want my autograph? No problem.
No, I need your artwork for my castle, and I'm willing to pay you.
I can do that, but I'll be right back. Sue! We've got a problem. Elsa wants an artwork.
That'll be no problem for you. You're an amazing artist.
But I printed all those pictures from an online site.
Don't worry, Sammy. I can help. The artwork all starts here, with a blank canvas.
You mean I don't need to connect the printer?
Not this time, Sammy. We are going to create a masterpiece from scratch.
I guess the printer could use some downtime. It's been working hard lately, you know.
We'll start with an outline of Elsa. We'll give it the personal touch. What do you think, Sam? It's a good start, huh?
There's something missing, Sue, but I've got it covered. All done.
Wow, it's perfect! Great thinking. Now we can start painting.
You know, pink is the way to go. It's the best color ever. Wait, that's inspired me.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
I'm going to make Elsa one of my signature pieces. Critics have said it's better than the Mona Lisa.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. I'm sure Elsa will love it as well.
I think Elsa is expecting more than that. We need to impress her.
Well, I will add silver paint to the star.
Go bigger. Let's mix them all together.
This is the fun part. It's like making an artistic mess. Here we go.
If you want a mess, just ask. I'm a master at it.
I know. I've seen your bedroom. You know, I'm finding this quite relaxing. I guess I need to paint more often. Now I need my hairdryer. This is my secret art trick.
We need to talk about it, Sue. You use a brush, not a hairdryer.
I know that, Sam. This is to help dry the paint. It speeds things up.
Oh, that's a pretty good idea. I need to try it.
Be careful. That's a pretty powerful hairdryer. Don't blow away.
Ha! I think I know how to use a hairdryer. Here it goes.
This masking tape will act as a template. I don't want to get the white paint anywhere else on the canvas. And this sponge will give me a nice even layer. How is it going over there, Sam?
It's okay.
Are you okay, Sam?
Whoa. Yeah, it's under control.
If you say so. I guess I'll continue with the painting then. This is really starting to take shape. It'll be a statement piece in Elsa's castle. I want to build up the layers and colors. This will give it that wow factor, you know?
I have something to say to you, Sue. Good news is, my painting is dry. Bad news, the hairdryer burned a hole in it. Look, who knew that could ever happen at all?
Oh, that's a shame. You worked so hard on it. I'm so sorry. I'm sure it was going to look amazing, Sammy.
I guess we'll never know that, Sue. It's trash now.
That's okay. We still have this painting. Let's ditch the paintbrushes and try something different. The foil will add more texture to it. I want this to look like the moon. Just a few more touches. All done. Let's remove this now really carefully. Well, what do you say?
Wow, it looks so pretty! But something is missing. Yeah, we definitely need to add some.
What is it?
The stars, Sue!
Oh, you're right! But none of these will do. I'll need something like a toothbrush.
Ask and you shall receive, Susan.
Yes, this will be perfect. Thank you, Sammy. Wait, where did you find it?
I borrowed it from Roger. But it's our little secret, okay?
We should probably go to the grocery store after this and buy Roger a new toothbrush. That should do it.
Yeah, Look at me!
Whoops, sorry about that, Sammy. I'll help you.
I'm sure this never happened to Picasso. Hang on. Can I borrow this aluminium, Sue? I think I want to be a sculptor now.
Go for it, Sammy. It sounds like a great idea to me.
The foil is the perfect medium. It will be a work of modern art.
Sounds ambitious. If anyone can do it, it's you.
I'm thinking of creating a sun statue.
Are you sure Elsa will like that?
Of course! Who wouldn't want that?
I can think of a lot of people.
I'm having so much fun. It's like a stress relief.
I need to try it. I'll add a silhouette to the painting. It'll look just like Elsa.
This is hard work, but it'll all be worth it. Sue, check this out. Am I a genius or what? My statue looks awesome, right?
Yeah, it is like twin brother, actually.
I should do something cool with it. Wait.
Oh, I always get scared when he gets inspired like that.
I'm a mummy, a chic and fashionable mummy.
You look great! I've never seen such a stylish mummy.
Thanks. I have another idea. I'm going to scare Roger.
Poor Roger. This always happens to him. I'll add some color here. It'll break up the black paint and add some light to it. Next, I'll brush purple paint onto the silhouette. This way. Let's add a little blue, too. It looks like Elsa is standing on a cliff, doesn't it? I'm pretty happy with this.
That didn't go as it was planned. He's still mad about the toothbrush.
I tried to warn you. I think you should just apologize to Roger. In the meantime, I will draw some trees.
I have a better idea. And I could use some flowers.
You are not going to dig up the garden, are you? It brings back memories. Bad memories.
That happened once. I was digging for treasure. I'll make him flowers. It will be the theme of my next exhibition.
Sounds good. I'm sure Roger will love it.
Don't mind me. Just passing through.
Sam, get out of that!
Such a lovely day for a stroll. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Oh, he never listens to me.
There, my masterpiece is finished. Roger can't stay mad at me after this.
Wow, I'm speechless, Sam. It's beautiful.
I can't wait to show it to him. Wish me luck.
I'm sure he'll be impressed. You've put a lot of thought into it. And while Sam makes his peace offering, I'll finish Elsa's painting. This is it. Now I can remove the tape from the canvas. And this is what we've got. Do you like it, friends?
Wow, you finished the painting already? It looks amazing! Catch!
Aw, that's so sweet. And so beautiful.
It's my way of saying thanks for helping with the painting. Wow, what a day! Elsa loved the painting, but I'm hanging up my paintbrush.
Sammy, I've got some big news. You're in demand.
The what? What do you mean?
Everyone wants one of your paintings. Barbie, Princess Peach, even Roger.
Are you serious? You know what this means?
We are going to need a whole lot of paint.
Nope, the printer's vacation is over. Grab the paper, Sue. It's gonna be a long night.
We better get started. Bye-bye, everyone.
See you next time, friends.